Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, we got an Ezgo here. What I'm going to do is the customer wants a little more speed in it. And if you look at it, it's a PDS. You can see because you got 36 volts, full reverse switch there, and you got a toe switch there, and you got a 36 volt battery. Well, he wants a little more speed out of it. So what you could do is they got a thing that's called the speed chip. Let me open it up for you. 3/8 socket. I mean, if you wanted to, you could go with a high-speed motor. It's probably your fastest option. But if you don't want to spend that much money, and if you notice when you go down a hill that the regen brake kicks in, take this cover off. You have 4 bolts, 3/8 size, 3/8 sockets. Now look in here. I'm gonna put it in tow. Unplug my tow switch. All right, now this right here, this is your personality plug. You got yellow, red, and what you want to do is put the freedom chip in, which is this right here. This is your freedom chip. Fastest way to speed it up. Now, what it does, you get about 2 miles an hour faster, but the main thing it does is it gets rid of your regen braking. So when you go down a hill, you're able to get up to speed. All right, instead of it slowing down itself. Pretty simple. You take it, plug it in like that, and push on it. Lock in. Simple as that, man. Right now, the car is unlocked for freedom mode, meaning you're going speed speed code 4. No more regen braking. And then you want to take it, make sure it's in tow, so when you plug it back in, it don't burn up. Plug your tow switch back in here. Put the cover back on. You got 4 bolts. And this is mainly to keep water from getting in it, so you want to put them in there. It's like if you change the controller. Now, if you wanted to get more amperage out of your controller, you can go to my page, go to Casey up in Chicago, and for $20 more, he can bump up the amperage on your controller. So you can turn your controller from a 250 amp to a 400 amp controller for $20, man. You can't beat it. That guy's been doing it 30 years. You gain more speed. But that's the quickest and the cheapest way to speed up a PDS 36 volt Ezgo. All right, y'all stay tuned, man. The first time I've done this, you don't ever get them that much anymore. But if you do, they're already done. This one wasn't. Y'all stay tuned, man. Watch my videos. I appreciate all y'all. Hey, hey, hey.